Alright guys, so making a video, I don't know where, just using my phone really quick. Basically what I'm posting up is this shift knob. Didn't really see any online or videos on it, so I figured I'd make a video on this experience and troubleshooting how to take this off, because it just spins around and then around, it doesn't come off. What people are saying with these NB1 Miatas is that the threaded core and this piece here are two separate pieces, and over time they break, and so the threaded part just spins in place, stuck in place, while this piece is stuck on it. So unfortunately I was trying to fix it because over time it just got loose. It just sounded loose over just driving, and it was getting annoying, so I wanted to fix it, take this time to fix it. So tried to do different things, pulling it up while spinning. See, just pushing down when spinning it, because I was hoping yep, it's stuck. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is my first attempt, or what people have been saying on the forums, at least two things typically. Well, the three things. First thing is, of course, doing different positions, hopefully pushing down, pulling up, anything to help it turn on the threaded side, the piece that's messed up, and hasn't been working for me. Second thing, vice grips and something to protect it from itself, because I think it's going to be deformed after I use it, so I'm going to try that. Maybe I'll bend it back in place afterwards, who knows. Third option, I mean, would be using like a small drill and drilling it through, and then using some sort of screw and to lock the two pieces together with that. So hopefully I don't have to do that, because I don't want to damage this piece, because I just want to keep it OEM. Gosh, just keep it OEM, no issues. But worst case scenario, screw it somewhere. I don't know exactly where, because most people just avoid doing it where they hold it mostly. So, like for my case, I hold the joystick style, and I don't know, maybe the back to hide it. So here we go. What I found that might be mostly useful is this gripping material, and yeah, do that with some vice grips, and just grab it on the bottom probably, and just spin it around. Hopefully there's no damage. Worst case scenario, if I break it, just buy another one at a junk shop or junkyard, whatever. But I don't know, this is freaking hard to find. Worst case scenario, just get a black one. Damn, I really wrap this up. Find the base, grip that. I just wanna save this. Keep most of the stuff OEM inside, man. God dang it. Still not working. If anything, I'm just damaging the finish here. Please come off. Drilling in a hole. That's the next step then. So I decided to do it from the back so I can not see it. It's cool if I feel it, I think. I'll make it just clean as possible in the back so I don't feel it too much. So yeah, here we go. It's so hard to do this. God dang it. What I managed to do was you drill through. It's actually made out of actual wood. Shame. But drill it through, and then it hits something pretty hard. You keep drilling until it goes through, actually. And what I used was this little piece of anything thin and metal, thin and is metal enough to hold the two pieces together, and then from there on you just grip it and hopefully it doesn't break or anything. But I managed to get it off mine. Watch, so it's starting to spin here. Let me see if I can get a better angle. It's spinning already. I broke it loose. It's hard. Alright, but I think it's coming off finally. Yeah. This is terrible. Why the frick would I do that? This is one of the worst made. It's finally coming off. See that? Terrible. I had to break this. I feel really bad because I really wanted to keep this. Well, I'm going to keep it, but it's damaged now. Thanks, Miata. Or Mazda. And whoever created this freaking... There's the black interior side, which is... I think it's metal. Oh, no, it's just plastic. Really hard plastic. And it looks like it broke right here. And here is where it's supposed to retain it, I think. If anything, I use this. I think this is like a... I don't even know what this piece of metal is. But anyways, this is how it looks now. And it's off finally. Yeah. I clean it up and then salvage this somehow. Sweet. It's pretty heavy too. Seems nice. Hopefully this video proved helpful for you. Ended up just doing the third last option I didn't want to do, but I think I should have done that to begin with. Just drill it, and instead of damaging this piece of now the metal finish is now scratched up, if you can see. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Especially if you have a shift knob like I do. With this, you can't squeeze this thing. It's just made out of, you can't squeeze this. Then definitely just drill it through like what I did. Connect the two pieces, spin it up, and it is off. And I'll see you guys in the next time. All right.